Good morning. Good afternoon. Good evening. How are you? I'm fine, thank you. What's your name? My name is Jan. Nice to meet you. How was your day? See you later. Calming questions. What time is it? Where are you from? Can you help me? How much does this cost? What do you do for a living? What's the weather like today? Where is the nearest bus stop? Do you have a pen? Can I borrow this? What's your favorite food? I wake up at 7 a.m. I take a shower every morning. I eat breakfast at 8 o'clock. I go to work by bus. I'm cooking dinner. I clean my house on weekends. I'm watching TV right now. I like to read. I'm going grocery shopping. I take my dog for a walk. Buy best-selling books online. Polite expressions. Please pass the salt. Thank you very much. You're welcome. Excuse me. Can I ask a question? I'm sorry for being late. No problem. Could you repeat that, please? I appreciate your help.